So we got the GoPro set up. This will be my first video with the GoPro instead of the phone, aside from that drifting video. Not sure how I'm going to edit them yet, but should be a little better with this. So yeah, we got it set up right here in front of the turbo. I guess it's pretty much ready to go. We'll feed this crazy man and go take this for a test drive and get some sweet footage soon. And check it out, you guys. Look at all this effort I go through just to make these stupid little videos. I even took my hood off for you guys. I hope you appreciate it. Right, so we're about to go on this here little test drive, and all I had was a helmet style sticky mount, so just in case it doesn't stick well enough, we got this zip tie chain here. So sorry, I thought it would stop it. Look at that. Probably not good having too much water there cavitating under there. But I'll still run it until I see any damage because it's a cheap turbo and I like information. So I'll do it for the sake of science. Also, don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe for more experimental drifty race car videos and stuff. And also, we're about to start covering actually drifting the car, so that'll be pretty cool too. So